Blade Runner 2099 live-action sequel series from Ridley Scott, Silka Louisa, which, oh my God, what a name.
I like that name.
I could say that all day. And Alcon.
That's the short end.
Not the name, just like the way that they put it together. It's just like, what?
Ridley Scott, Silka Louisa, and I was just goofing on Kirkland for about an hour, and you hit me with Alcon.
How dare you?
You can't hit me with Alcon.
I didn't do it.
Why
It
is it only
sounds
one?
like an industrial aluminum company.
Yeah. Alcon.
Why?
Alcon.
Like share? It's just one name?
Oh my God.
Of course it is.
Wow. You nailed it.
So what do they have to do with anything? Or is it also...
No, Alcon is someone.
How do you know?
It's a person, right?
You search Alcon.
No, they're
Blade
funding
Runner.
the movie.
Yeah. Everything's provided by Alcon.
Oh, man.
Maybe the chat knows.
Yeah, well...
What do you think about...
Anyway, so another Blade Runner? I missed the last Blade Runner. And everybody was like, you're an idiot.
We were talking about the other day.
You're an idiot. And I was like, well, I know that.
I will say this is the best sequel I think ever made. The second Blade Runner. And
Easy.
it came a decade after the first one.
He's not wrong.
Easy?
That's
Both
right,
of you are doing this?
Yeah.
You guys are You guys are pumping Blade Runner?
Yeah.
It's very well done.
What did you say?
Alcon.
Alcon.
Did you say it's very well?
Alcon.
What did you say
Very
over
well
there?
done.
Oh, very well
Very
done.
well.
Yeah.
It's
Very well.
very well, sir. All right. Okay. Exclusive. The replicants are heading to the small screen. Ah, okay.
Yeah, it's not a...
Now,
A live-action
Huge movie.
series set in the Blade Runner universe into development. Ridley Scott, who directed the original, is executive producing. Silka Louisa is a showrunner of Apple TV Plus's upcoming Elizabeth Moss-fronted drama series, Shining Girls. The project, which would mark the first Blade Runner live-action series, is in priority development at Amazon Studios. That's a fast track. That means they really want to get your show done. They're like, hey, that other show we're working on, kick it to the side. It's important for us to have a futuristic show right now. We need it. Sci-fi. Sci-fi is hot.
they need it in their offering, the product offering.
Yeah, we got no sci-fi. What's our sci-fi play? Yeah, by the way, it's an entertainment company by the name of Alcon. So
Let me ask you, when you hear something is coming from Amazon Studios, does it rile you up? Are you excited or are you pessimistic?
I feel like they have as much a shot as anyone to do a good show. Like I don't. It's hard right
they're
now.
really getting in there with the games too.
It's hard right now because it's, all these subscriptions. Me and Will were talking yesterday about Futurama coming back. They're doing like new. They signed a deal with Hulu, and it's like, oh yeah, Hulu. I had a moment of, oh yeah, Hulu.
I had that moment just when you said that.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh, Hulu exists.
And
Hulu's
then
a thing.
Amazon and Apple and obviously Netflix, Disney Plus, HBO Max.
Ugh.
It's really hard to figure out what you want to watch, not
Get out
because
of my face with that stuff.
of what you want to watch, but because of not knowing where to go.
Content wars, right?
Yeah,
That's what we're in.
exactly.
We're in the content
Exactly.
war.
It's like everybody wanted it originally. They were like, cable, it sucks because you got to have all these channels and you're paying $100. And it's right back to the way it was. If you have all these streaming services, you're paying $100.
Yeah. Yeah. Disney
Or close to
Apple
it.
TV Plus.
I think there's also pressure there to make it high production.
Oh, God, yes. If you're going to put the Blade Runner name
Blade
on
Runner,
it.
yeah.
And I saw people are angry right now at the show I was watching. People on Twitter are mad about Bobby Fett.
Well, you keep calling it that.
Why are they mad about Bobby Fett?
Because
I love that, by the way, Bobby Fett.
it's because
That's good.
it's a personal level
Yeah.
to it, the
Bob.
relationship. Yeah, me and Bob. Just because of certain people don't like some of the what would you call it? The more whimsical elements of it, like the kind of funny or goofy. Star Wars is always battling against how much of that
Yeah.
it's allowed to do,
Yeah.
while still feeling, I guess, like a space drama.
Mm-hmm.
And then if it goes too far in that way, people are like, goofy, too much.
This ain't real.
And if it
What do
goes
they
too
want?
far,
Game
if it
of
goes too
Thrones
far
in
the other way,
space?
then it takes itself too seriously,
Yeah.
and it's like not really relaxing to
Yeah,
watch.
it's like when in the newer ones when Yoda fought and he's jumping around all crazy, people hated that. They
Too
hated
much.
that. They're like Yoda can't jump.
Too
and
much.
then other people were like, well, he could use the Force to manipulate his body.
Well, everybody hated those ones in the middle too, originally, right? When the Anakin was
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
flying around,
Yeah.
everybody was pissed.
Yeah.
No, man, that's
Too whimsical.
brutal or whatever.
So,
I don't even think whimsical is the right word for the record.
I don't know. You've been watching it. I haven't been watching it, so you can tell me. But Boba Fett is a bad guy. He's like a serious dude.
He is.
So are they making him funny and whimsical? Like, is he cracking jokes?
I think it's just like sort of some goofy or moments that are executed in such a fashion where, like, there was one clip, it's a GIF that keeps getting posted on Twitter of a guy who does a spin before he shoots that's completely unnecessary. All right, so it's like
I like that.
he's about to get engaged in this gunfight, right? And it would be super simple to just pull your weapon and shoot, but he does a spin first,
Okay. Style.
which would obviously,
I like style.
but it looks like too unrealistic. It
Yeah.
looks too choreographed. Like someone told him to do this spin, and anyway, I saw it floating around. People were tweeting like, "I can't believe how bad this show is." You know, you better not screw up
Because
the
of that?
Mandalorian. Yes, that, and I suppose, you know, there's other things as well. I'm not caught up, so I can't even really speak on it properly. But I thought the Mandalorian did a nice balance of all these aspects of like the baggage of Star Wars and how you have to execute Star Wars. It's
Right,
such a
yeah.
specific thing that you have to execute.
Yeah.
Like moments of humor and moments of access for a wide demographic,
Yeah.
and then moments of drama, and it's like, whoa. It would be the most terrifying prospect. Have someone come to you and say, "You've
Oh,
got the
man.
next Star Wars project."
Yeah.
And you're just like, oh, because the
Yeah.
fandom. It's like the gaming thing that we were talking about.
Yeah.
It means so much to people.
Yeah. It really does. It really does. It means a lot to people.
Anyway, I suppose Blade Runner has an opportunity here to really turn into quite a franchise.
I mean, this one means a lot to me. I remember the first time I saw Blade Runner. My dad caught a lot of hell from it because he showed it to us when we were way too young.
Oh, right.
And my mom was like, walked by and she's like, It was like the moment Mo and Jack had
nudie?
earlier.
Oh, right.
That's exactly the scene.
Oh,
I
That's
can't
exactly
remember.
the
Is it
scene.
a lot of nudity? I
No,
can't even remember.
it's only one. It's in the beginning of the movie, but it's an android. That's my defense for it.
Oh.
It's
Okay.
not. It's android nudity. You know?
justify it.
Yeah, it's
I
not human
presume the
nudity.
android was being played by a human.
Yeah, but I'm in the story. You know?
Oh.
It's also like 8 years old at the time. So,
Right. Okay.
but thanks, Dad, for that one.
So just to close it off, I don't think that there's any more details with it, like when it's going to be released or the director, but hopefully we'll soon find out.
Yeah.
No,
Well-
I think there's something going on right now where there's an incredible appetite for sci-fi future, like the whole cyberpunk thing that happened.
Yeah.
There's an obsession around this,
Black Mirror.
like near future, not too far. I mean, this is 2099 is what they're saying.
Even we've been talking about a lot about sci-fi. The appetite for sci-fi just in general is huge.
And so Amazon needs a play, and here you have some IP, you have some pre-existing
And you have the budget.
attention.
It's Amazon.
Are we?
Just got to sell one of those yachts, and you're all set.
Exactly, yeah.
You pay Ridley.
You got a 2-pack. Just sell one.
Yeah, pay Ridley. Give the money to Alcon.
Mm-hmm.